Alright, lads. So, today we are going to be messing around with some electricity and Rust. I want to test out some things, see if some stuff's working. So I just set up all of my splitters up to the big battery. Let's see how much I got left. Alright, well, we're good. Right now, what we're going to make is first a timer. We need basically to think of it as kind of a looping system. I know they just added the timer. This isn't necessarily what. Let me actually just see this first because I've never actually tested this yet. I just want to see the capabilities of this. Oh, so you can create alarms for it. Okay, that's kind of cool. But, so what we're going to start out with is we basically need a common loop. That will be done through this. I'm going to supply power here, here, and this is overkill. Okay, so these are timers. I'm going to set it for basically a clock time of 0.25 seconds. Or a quarter of a second. Let me remember this. Power out. I want to say pass through. This. I think goes here. This. Right there. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, so we basically have. Let's test to see if this is actually giving us anything. Power in. Why'd you stop? Did I run out of power or something? I think I did. Okay. That should not have stopped. Jesus, what is going on? Okay, I need to stop this for now. Just give me a sec. How do I stop this? I need to put a... Oh, I know. Okay. 1 second. I know this is annoying. Let's do a... Oh, God. What is it? Is there a switch? Is this a switch? Is this what I'm looking for? Does this just turn it on and off? Yeah, okay. So what we're gonna do, this. There we go. So only when this is on, can I activate it. Okay, so power out. Goes here, so that means how do I get this out then? Okay, I need to capture this here, so I want to say a splitter. Yeah, I'm gonna need a splitter, I believe. I think this is the way to go. Bear with me, because I'm not 100% sure. And increment. Power in. Yes, right there. Okay. Okay, so we basically have our timer. I just want to make sure. I think this only goes up to 100. Let's see. This is annoying. So once it hits 99, it should roll over. Oh, okay, we have more than 100. Okay, 999. But either way, okay. So we basically, and then I am going to just reset this. I think, if I remember correctly, the button automatically, it's one of the things that you don't actually need power to go through, which, if you think about it, can actually lead to some pretty crazy things. And even crazier than that, let me actually just see something. I just want to A trap. What's the thing you stand on? Let's actually just see this. Switch. Okay, the pressure pad. So the thing with the pressure pad is it also spits out a increment, power in, power out. So that also gives power without giving power. So realistically, what you should be able to do, bear with me, I haven't done this before, you should be able okay, so 4 5 okay, 1 second. You should be able to actually feed. Is it working? 37. No. Okay. Well, essentially, the devs are watching this. You technically should be able to build up power with these. But I guess that there's two separate ways that we put in power. Okay. Anyways, to get back to the point. So we have our simple timer here. What we want to do is, let's see the memory cells. Okay. So what we're technically going to do here is set up, let's try 3 bits for now. Okay, that's pretty wonky. What is the proper way to do this? I want to go from here onto the decrement. Output here. Okay, so let's give this a try. Take this. Power in. Gonna need this. Just to reset. Okay, so inverted output. What is the proper way to do this again? I want to say it's toggle. Toggle. Okay. Power in. Oh, okay. Set. Power in. And power in. I'm just going by that. Okay, so I want to actually set to this. Okay, so okay. Okay, reset everything. Oh, Jesus. Okay, did I put it the output? Okay, yes, the output should be there. Let me reset everything. Yes, that's reset. That's reset. Okay, no. Okay, well, this is just dirty. Okay, reset. No, you were supposed to be. Okay, where's your input? Is it supposed to be toggle or is it supposed to be set? Okay, let's just try the set first. Reset everything. Reset everything. I said reset everything. Okay, the output is going through set, okay? So if this is true, let me see here. I don't think that's okay. Let's just take this off for now. Okay. Let's remove all the power. You know what's going to be messed up is if it actually saves, which I don't want it to. Okay. This is my 3-bit power. And I bet you it's going to save. Yep. Okay. Let's just remove everything. Output. I said clear. Come on, work with me, man. Where's this going? Okay, clear all those. Okay. I'm going to reset everything. Reset. Reset. Okay. So the inverted, okay, so if that is true, the output, I want it to go into, I believe, the toggle. Okay, so let's give this a try. Let's toggle this. Okay, that's kind of working. Okay, let me just count this, okay? Okay, output. Toggle. Okay, so we're at 0 right now. Okay, so currently right now we're technically at 3, 2, 1. We're at 6 right now. Okay, that's 3 and 2, that's 5. 3 and 1 is 4. 3 is 3. These two, this one should be. Okay, what was I at? This. Okay, no. 1. Okay, so it is working. The only issue here is. So now we're going to reset everything. Okay, we're going to reset everything. Toggle. Off. Power out. It's going to go to the toggle, and we're going to see. Okay, there we go. So basically, what we have right here is a. Actually, just see this inverted output. So what we have right here is we're now storing things into memory, which basically means we technically could, let's say. What can I do with this? Oh, we could. Give me 2 seconds. I'm just trying. Okay, let me turn this off really quick. I'm just trying to find a use for it. Let's say, for instance, technically you don't even need a timer for this. I'm just going to go through one thing of like what you would use this memory for. Is let's say you wanted to count how many times. See, the thing is, you already have the counter. Let me actually just see something. I want to see what this actually outputs. I want to see if this is an actual pass-through or it says pass-through, but it's not actually passing through. Show pass-through. Why did I have to do that? Alright, that's some wonky stuff right there. Give me a second. Let me actually just figure this out first. Power out, increment. Power in. Okay. So the pass through. Oh, okay. So this is actually the power. The output power from whatever, the battery, and then that's the only way that it's passing through. So the pass-through actually doesn't even work. So let's say, for instance, if you wanted to say, hey, every, again, this isn't for the timer or the loop that we have right here, but let's say, for instance, if we wanted to do something to every 8th person, you would set your bits up for 8, and then you would also set up a AND. Where are you? And where's AND? Where's... Am I missing something? Electrical branch, blocker, root combiner. Where's... Oh. Jesus. So you'd basically set up this and... for each one of these, basically you'd have two and switches. Well, technically you'd have more. But when both of these are true, it would go through the and then it would go through something. So let's say, for instance, again, this isn't for the timer, but you wanted to do something when 8 people entered into a building. Say you wanted to blow it up. 8 people, you shouldn't have had that, or whatever. You could light a furnace, all that kind of stuff. But for something, I'm just thinking of what could you do with the timer. Well, see, the issue is that you have this timer now. So this is kind of, what would you use the memory for? Since you now have a timer. Well, basically, I'll come back and I'll figure something out.